Insect Lore Butterfly Garden Homeschool Edition in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 259 ratings and 20 reviews. 92% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Great kid gift." This is the third one of these I've purchased for my granddaughter who just turned 5 and may be the best one. Instead of coming with the caterpillars, it comes with a coupon to get them fresh and alive. The habitat is a great size and every caterpillar became a butterfly. My granddaughter just loved watching them emerge and then setting them free in her yard. This is educational and fun. I'll buy her refills often so she can enjoy the process again. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Cool concept, but the zipper broke the very first time I tried to unzip it. It's a cool idea that we were all excited about, however the zipper messed up the first time I tried to unzip it. It's supposed to be accessible and easy to use, but not when the zipper breaks. It's cheaply made and we won't be able to use it again in the future. That's it.